Half a mile of solid ice is hiding the biggest secret on planet Earth. And in 2006, 2 satellites found it by accident. Something buried deep under Antarctica was pulling on them. Hard. It's so massive, it literally bends gravity around it. It's about 300 miles wide. That's roughly the size of Ohio, and scientists still argue about what's really down there. Meet Grace, 2 NASA satellites flying in formation, measuring tiny changes in Earth's gravity. Over East Antarctica, their readings went off the chart. Under a region called Wilkes Land, they found a huge concentration of dense rock. Geologists call it a mascon. And mascons don't just happen. Here's the strange part. That dense mass sits dead center inside a giant ring carved into the bedrock, a 300-mile bullseye. When something enormous slams into a planet, the ground splashes like liquid. The center rebounds, pulling up heavy rock from deep inside. The result is a ring with dense material in the middle. We see it on the Moon, and it's exactly what's under Wilkes Land. The crater that killed the dinosaurs is about 110 miles wide. The structure under Antarctica is nearly 3 times bigger. Run the math backwards, and you get an asteroid roughly 30 miles across, 5 times bigger than the one that ended the dinosaurs. And that leads to a dark question. 252 million years ago, life on Earth almost ended. Completely. Scientists call it the Great Dying. 90% of all species vanished. In the oceans, it was closer to 96%. The main suspect was always Siberia, where massive eruptions buried an area the size of Australia in lava. But maybe that's not the whole story. Back then, Wilkes Land may have sat on the exact opposite side of the planet from Siberia. A cosmic 1-2 punch. A big enough impact could send shockwaves through the entire planet, cracking the crust and waking up volcanoes on the far side. But here's the problem. Gravity maps can't tell us when it formed. Some geologists say it might just be an ancient rift valley. The only way to know is to drill through a mile of moving ice in the coldest place on Earth. For now, nobody can. A scar from Earth's worst day, or just rocks playing tricks? Tell me in the comments. The world is full of secrets. Go find one.